Good morning, this is David on Friday, September 23rd, 2023, 22 rather. Time is 9:22. Let's get rolling. Let's get that thing to go back up. Get some continuity here.
Order filled.
It's been playing hodgepodge. Tell me this is what they call liquidity day, where they fuck over the little guy, have it slam around all over the place. Yeah, software is pretty good at
Order
figuring it out.
canceled.
But they're bringing it back, slamming it back
Order
out,
filled.
knocking everybody out of their positions. That's the short stuff here. Goes up, boom, comes back. Goes up, comes back. You get your target. So you got to set your targets. What the market's giving you.
Order filled.
Let's see some 64. There we go. Test that low.
Order canceled.
See if we can get maybe something to flush out a little bit. Mm-hmm. 32, 62, 61, 60. Yes. Come on. It's got to get past here.
Order canceled.
Took it. Started seeing more green. I don't want it.
Order filled. Order canceled.
All right.
Order filled.
Okay. I'm kind of leery. I'm happy with 76. Yeah, I'm happy with that. We're at a good time in the morning where it's going to come in. There's some news that was supposed to come out. I think it did. I don't know what it was. But I'm happy with that. Not as much as yesterday, but I'm a disciplined trader. Cautious. 367 commissions. Just lagging. Okay. $7,000 minus 367. $7,240. 232,000 for the month. 90%, 81% on 3 trades. You can't beat that. Okay, I will keep making videos. Keep watching.